Hi friends, how are you? Today I am going to show how to use Fillet in SolidWorks 2025 software. First of all, open the SolidWorks software, then go to File, select New and select Part and select OK. Now go to top plane and sketch. Now draw the rectangle, center point rectangle from origin. Now give the dimension, this line dimension 40 and vertically dimension 100. Okay. Now go to feature and extrude. Now extrude 10 from mid plane. Okay. Now go to front plane and sketch. Now draw the rectangle again from origin. Now give the dimension this line 40 and this line dimension 100. Okay. Now go to feature and extrude. And from mid plane. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now go to fillet use every edge fillet. Fillet. This is and this is sorry. Just move this is and this is and this is. Okay. Now here fillet give the value 20. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now this plane sketch. Now draw the circle here. This point circle. Now give the below circle 20. Okay. Now go to feature and extrude card. Okay. Now go to top plane and select mirror. Now here select card. Okay. Now go to this plane sketch. Now draw the slot from this point. Center slot draw. Select. Now give the below 10. This arc below 7.5. Now this line below 10 and 7.5. Now go to isometric view. Go to feature and extrude card. Okay. Now go to front plane and mirror. Now select hair card. Okay. Now go to here select plain white and select fillet. Now give the value 1. Now select here and here. select here and select here and select here and select here. Okay. Now go to OK. Now go to isometric view. Now here select shaded. You can use hair color as you wish. Metal use. Now select metal. You can select any materials. Hey. Thank you all everyone, share and like. If have any ask you can write comment box.